Khasi, Jaintia Government Contractors and Supply Association, kala Aiti Memorandum Sha Menteri Rangba ke Jylla, Conrad Sangma, da kebapan jingïarap halor ki jingïe bagi Kontraktor Trai Ri Khasi. Kaseng kalong, babun ki kontraktor ki Shah Pynduh lad ban yo Mynta ki projek sorkar, bat ke jingïe ru, namar ke jing slam ban siwi ki bil khamtam hapo ke jal jivan mission. Ka KJGCSA, kala dawa ban pelat kloi ki bil ki berang sa ateng, bat ban pia iki tender paidbah kenang bagi kontraktor Trai Ri, kinla ban yishim Mynta. Shushu kaseng kala kintu ye ke sorkar ban khud ha ke rukom ai tender, bat ban ailat khambun ki kontraktor Trai Jylla ban yo Mynta ha ke kampen roi, jong ke Jylla Meghalaya.
Buram syaki pra kontraktor ke balai wan hak ni Khubor balai ikendu ISM ICM belum buram jongi i Conrad Sangma belong i chief minister jong ke Meghalaya jongi dagawai ke sur dagawai ke jimut ni wan ban ikendu i nak bata ke pending bill jong ke JJM alis nang taru ki bun ki problem bi ikendu hak ni ke association jongi ka kasi Jaintia government and contractor and supply association. Nagkatagadaw ng iban ikendo ibayitho iki belajar hak association yung ni nagbantag ki la long kiba ki pending yung ki long la aslam. Nagkatagadaw ng iban si ban ikendo ngila ai ki Memorandum ilay kulari ba inwalat hak katagadur ban penuan no deka state fund dekat bakila ban yo. Nang taru iong susu ingi bayitho ingi ba inang ban kata meeting in sepulang sportly baru ke chief minister badan hal ke jong state namar kita gipun ki kriteria hakanika central scheme ngombalong mata naga terkenal organisation terkhat organisation meeting kanang bakabil ke JJM jong kontraktor kan lain no hakata ke puah anda ke laisong ki chief minister kin ya sol i kata problem kanang bagan lain kata bil girung impo hak jinggermen mo ini lang i kata bil ko magila dolar CM jong kata kasi ailat i.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.